Hi, my name is Yamile Garcia. I studied nursing in the University of Caldas. Graduated in 1993. Graduated in cosmetology 8 years ago. I am studying psychology in 9th semester. I have experience in personnel, managing, in healing complex hospitals, in intensive care emergency units. I am sociable person, respectful, and honest. I have the ability of reach in the midst of difficulties. I had always worked in the care of the human beings. I feel that I am too sensitive, which was means my a better person over the years in my profession.